This is again, I am a singer, eternal voice. Let's continue solving problems in collision theory of physics. So I will be able to present two problems, last two problems, okay? But let's see if we can finish this out. Okay, a 10 kilogram block moving is at 15 meters per second collides with a 5 kilogram block at rest. The two blocks stick together. What is the final speed of the two blocks? So in this problem, it already gives an idea that this is an inelastic collision because the two blocks stick together. Okay, so we will be checking the applicability of the formulas. Okay, so this is not conservation of kinetic energy. Okay, this is conservation of total momentum only. So we will use the momentum 1 plus momentum 2 is equals to the total momentum. Sorry. Okay, so m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equals to m1 plus m2 times velocity final. So let's substitute uh, values and given. Okay, what's the problem? Okay, you can see or not. Okay. Okay. The choices is A 15 meter per second, B 10 meter per second, C 20 meter per second, D 18 meter per second, E none of the above. Okay. So in problem number 2, there will be no choices. We need to solve directly, but we go first for number 1. Okay. Oh my god. So I'll drink my coffee. Coffee, everyone. This one, solve na ta. Okay, guys. Okay. So this is problem number 1. So 10 kilogram black. So this is the black. 10 kilogram. Moving east. So 10 kilogram black is moving east at 15 meter per second. Collides with a 5 kilogram block at west. So this is 15 meter per second, and then it collides to black at the rest, which is 5 kilogram. So this is at the rest, and then stick together here. Stick together. And then what is the final speed of the two blocks? So final speed like this. This is the illustration. Okay, the 10 kilogram block, okay, moving to the east, and then collided with the 5 kilogram block, and then later on they stick together. So what is their final velocity? So it's very clear that in this point they have um, total masses, right? Okay, in this portion, and then since this is at rest already, so what will happen? There will be a rest. Okay, there will be a resting situation. There will be a rest. Okay. Ano ba yan? Resting situation daw. Okay. On the spot kayo, di ba? So, this one is momentum represented as P1. So P2 is equals to P total. And then M1 V1 plus M2 V2 is equals to M1 plus M2 times V final. So this is the equation to be used. Okay, substitute values already in this equation. So we have M1, so 10, 15 plus 5, then the velocity, because at rest, okay, at rest just the final velocity, velocity is 0, is equals to 5 plus 10 is equals to V final. So V final is equals to 150 over 15, so 10 meter per second. So the velocity final is, okay, 10 meter per second. Substitute values only. Okay. So the second block class is at rest, while this first block striking with the second block. So it is at rest. So that's why we have here the velocity of the second block is 0. Okay. Then when they stick together also there, okay, they collide with each other. Okay, and stick together. Okay, like this. Of course, they will move a little bit upon sticking together. Okay, and then it will just also stop later on. That's what I mean by resting situation. Okay, so 10 meter per second is the answer. Thank you so much. So thank you so much for listening for the first problem solving of collision. Actually, this is in inelastic collision. Thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless everybody.